Corey Baker from St.Albert Dodge. I'm excited about this one. Again, I said it, but it's a 2018 Premier Tahoe with the RST package. So basically with the RST package, you're going to get blacked out decals, not a lot of chrome. You get 22-inch wheels. This one also has a 6.2-liter engine with a 10-speed transmission, 420 horsepower. It's in beautiful condition. I like this car. So around the back, it's got the tow package. You can't see it right now, but it's right here. It's got a power lift gate, of course. We're going to hope that it works. It's only 6 degrees in here right now. Our active showroom's a little cold, but as you see, the seats are down right now. You have tons of space. And if you want to put them back up, they're powered along the side over here. Captain chairs in the middle row. This one also has a DVD player. We're going to take a look, but let's swing around this side. Again, making you go for a walk. Again, in beautiful condition, not a lot, no dings, no scratches. I love this color. If you take a look inside, I walk fast. Take a look. So you got a trailer brake built in, so it is ready to tow. It's got what I like about the joystick, a steering wheel so you can change it up. It's got heads-up display, big center console, tons of storage, wireless charging. It's got everything. And in the second row here, we'll take a look. Captain chairs, and then nice DVD player for the kiddos. All right, guys. If you want to know more info about this car, you can reach out to our dealership, as always, directly, or you can call me at 780-504-5216. Have a good day, guys.